to determine when the 4 bell will ring together again, we need to find the LCM. Is nothing but least common multipliers of the intervals. So to find that one, I have to find the LCM of the given numbers. So LCM of given numbers, for example 9, 12, 15 and 18, using the prime factorization method. So the prime fraction of the 9 is 3 into 3 and 12 is 3 into 2 into 2 and 15 is nothing but 3 into 5. So 18 can be found by 3 into 3 into 2. So this can be written here like that. 9 is equal to 3 into 3. So 3 square. So 3 2 times we can indicate 3 square. 12 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 power 1 into 2 power 2. So 3 one time. So we have mentioned here 3 power 1 2 square. 15 3 into 5 3 power 1 5 into 1. 18 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 square into 2 power 1. So now to find the LCM, we can take the highest power of each number. For example, from this 4 we can find the highest power. Example 3. So here is the power is 2, 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So the highest was 3 power 2. We can write here. Same way 2 power 2. So this is the highest power 2 power 2 and 5 power 1 is the highest power. So 3 power 2 is nothing but 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 5 power 1 is 5. So 9 into 20. So 9 here. So 4 into 5 20. So 9 into 20 180. So this is the LCM. So the result is the 4 bell will ring together after again 180 minutes.